Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Thursday, January 5th. Okay, the S&P and the Dow Industrials are up kind of at resistance. The NASDAQ Composite closed, at a new closing high today. Not at its all-time high as far as intraday, but at a new closing high, and that really means something. One stock that I want you to check out is Tesla. If you look at these moving averages, and it's the 50, which is the red, the 200, the black, and the 150 is the green, you can see these things are basically just moving sideways. So effectively, there is no trend. But if you zoom in, you'll see that there actually is a trend, and it's right along this trend line. Now, yesterday we got a pretty strong day, breakout day, high volume. So today, other stocks are working pretty well, and Tesla really wasn't. In fact, let's go to a 5-minute chart. It opened down a bit and then rallied, but then, frankly, by about the first hour, this deal was over, and then while other stocks continued to move higher, Tesla started pulling back. Okay, fine, it's Tesla. It's a little bit of a smoke and mirrors company. Anyway, I mean, they make great cars, but what I mean by that is just they burn through a bunch of cash, and there's a lot of accounting gimmicks, and people know it. Which is why the stock's doing what it's doing. But it's a volatile stock, and it is loved. There are some Teslonians that basically have all of their money in this, and they're waiting for the Mars mission to make money. Well, I think Tesla can make you money, because after this big move yesterday, this closed down a quarter, like 24 cents. And moreover, the buyers rejected this sell-off. So, in other words, this had a bit of a correction from yesterday's big move. But less than halfway down, buyers stepped in and took the stock and pushed it right up to where it closed, for all intents and purposes, even. So that is, to me, a real sign of strength. I'm going to set a price alert at 228. Just do that. Set a price alert at, we'll do it at 228.25. If this stock starts trading up here, I think you're going to see a continuation of this move, and you could get, easily 5 or 10% more. The company doesn't report for a month, a little over a month, and if this thing gets going, it is kind of the momentum stock with 40% of the float short. You can bet that the short sellers are not particularly happy right now. They're not particularly smart either, because they're going against the grain. So I would wait for Tesla to hit this price alert, and if it starts moving higher, then go ahead and have fun with a little bit of a short squeeze. See if you can make those suckers squeal. Okay, members, over to the strategy session. We're looking at some of the social media and internet companies, as well as some of our biotechs that have been working really well.